still spending hours manually editing videos? You're wasting your time. In this video, I'll take you through 6 AI apps that will speed up your video editing process, starting with Captions AI. By the way, I've linked all helpful tools and resources in the description below, so be sure to check those out for the best results. AI App 1. This app is designed to take your raw video and turn it into something polished without you lifting a finger. Its main job is to add animations, backgrounds, and captions automatically, so you don't have to mess with complicated settings or timelines. You can get it on your phone or your computer, which makes it easy to use wherever you are. The real value here is how it takes away the intimidation factor. If you're new to editing and the thought of learning software feels overwhelming, this app steps in and does the work. It's not just about convenience, though. It shows how much AI has improved recently, giving you results that look professional with almost no effort on your part. To use Captions AI, you start by going to their website or app store on your phone or computer. Download the app and install it, which takes a couple of minutes. Now, upload your video file. After that, it begins analyzing the video on its own. This part might take a minute or two if your video is short, or a bit longer if it's a bigger file. The app then adds things like text overlays for what you're saying, little animations to make it pop, and even a background if it thinks the original one is dull. When it's done, you get a preview of the edited video. Watch it through to see if it fits what you had in mind. If it looks good, download it, and you'll have a finished video ready to post. The whole process skips the manual hassle, which is why it's perfect for anyone starting out or short on time. AI App 2. Next up is Descript, an app that focuses on fixing mistakes and boosting how you come across on camera. It has a few standout features that make it special. First, it listens to your audio and cuts out filler words like or ah without you having to find them yourself. Second, it can make a digital copy of your voice. If you said something wrong, you type the correction, and it speaks it in your voice as if you recorded it that way. Third, it adjusts your eye contact. If you were looking away from the camera while filming, it tweaks the video so it seems like you were staring right at the lens the whole time. These things matter because they save you from redoing entire takes. Let you fix errors after the fact and help you connect better with whoever is watching. By keeping your gaze steady, start by downloading Descript or heading over to the web browser version. Then start a new project and upload your video file. Once it's there, Descript transcribes every word you said into text, which appears alongside the video. If you spot a filler word or a mistake in the text, click and drag over that part to highlight it, then press delete. The video cuts that section out automatically, keeping the rest intact. For a voice fix, find the line you got wrong, click it, and type what you meant to say instead. Then look for an option called Overdub in the menu. Click that, and it generates the new audio in your voice. To fix eye contact, go to the Effects or AI Tools section, find Eye Contact Correction, and turn it on. The app adjusts how your eyes look frame by frame. When you're happy, click Export, choose your file format, and save it to your computer. It takes a little getting used to, but once you see how much time it saves, it's hard to go back. AI App 3. Then there's Adobe Podcast, or more specifically, its Enhance speech feature, which is all about making your audio sound high quality. This tool takes whatever you recorded, whether it's muffled or full of background noise, and cleans it up so it sounds like it came from a professional studio. If you've ever filmed somewhere with a humming air conditioner or cars driving by, this fixes that and makes your voice clear. Good audio is super important because even if your video looks great, bad audio can push viewers away fast. To use Adobe Podcast Enhance Speech, go to their website and click on Enhance Speech. Now, you need an audio file to work with, so if your video has sound, you can extract that audio first using any basic editing program, or just upload the video itself and let it pull the audio out. Drag your file into the upload box, or click to browse and select it manually. Once it's uploaded, the processing starts and it usually finishes in under 30 seconds for a short clip. When it's done, you can listen to the original audio compared to the improved version. The difference is obvious. Noise gone, voice sharper. Click download, pick where to save it on your computer, and you have a clean audio track ready to add back to your video. It's a small step that makes a massive difference. AI App 4. Next is Gling, which is built to strip out the dead weight from your recordings. This app is for anyone who ends up with videos full of silences, repeated takes, or little slip-ups. You give it your footage, and it transcribes what you said, then cuts out the quiet gaps and the takes that didn't work. It figures out which version of a line is the keeper, so you don't have to sift through everything yourself. For voiceovers or talking to the camera, this can slash your editing time down to almost nothing. Head over to the Gling website and click on Start for Free, then sign up for an account. Then, upload your video file and select what you want enhanced in your video, like removing filler words or enhancing audio. Click on Enhance and edit. Gling transcribes the audio first, which takes a minute or so depending on the length. Then it goes through and removes silences between sentences, cuts failed attempts where you restarted a line, and trims anything it thinks is off. If it skips something you wanted gone, you can click into the transcript and delete that part manually, but the AI usually gets it right. Once it finishes, click Export, choose your file settings, and save the cleaned up video. It's fast and takes the boredom out of editing raw footage. AI App 5. Firecut is another great tool, focused on making your visuals more engaging without extra effort. It adds zooms to your face when you say something important, creates chapter title screens to break up the video, and even inserts extra clips over your main footage to keep things interesting. It runs as an extension inside Adobe Premiere, so it fits right into that workflow if you use it. The point is to give your video a dynamic feel without you having to plan every move. To get Firecut working, you need Adobe Premiere on your computer first. Then go to Firecut's website, download the extension, and install it into Premiere. Open Premiere, start a new project, and drag your video into the timeline as usual. Find the Extensions menu at the top, click it, and select Firecut to open its panel. Scroll through your video in the timeline to see where you want changes. In the Firecut interface, look for a button labeled Find B-roll, or something close to that. Click it, and the app analyzes your footage, adding zooms where it thinks they fit, and suggesting spots for extra clips it pulls from a stock library. It also generates title screens based on what you're talking about. Check those and tweak the text if you want. When it's all set, export your video from Premiere like normal. It saves you from manually hunting for ways to spice things up. AI App 6. Opus Clip takes long videos and turns them into short, ready-to-post clips. It scans your footage, picks out the best parts, and edits them into standalone pieces with captions added. For anyone with podcasts or streams, this is a quick way to get more content out there. To start, head over to the Opus Clip website and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, upload your long video file. Opus Clip processes it, which takes a few minutes for something like a 20-minute video, and then shows you a list of short clips it made. Each one has captions based on what was said, and you can edit those if they're off. Pick the format you want and watch the preview to make sure it looks right. Download the ones you like by clicking Save, and they're ready for posting. It's a quick and easy way to repurpose what you already have. All of these AI tools take the slog out of editing and let you focus on creating. They cut time, reduce frustration, and lift your videos to a new level. Have you tried any of these before? Are there others that you would recommend? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons while you're there.